Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Whoa, jeez, that was crooked. Welcome back to the show. So today we are going to be doing not too much, a little bit maintenance, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea what we're doing today.
We're just playing this one by ear.
We are going to play this one by ear. There's not really too much that we have anything scheduled or planned. Let me make that so you guys can actually see. So we do have something. We do have good news. My lip kit for the TC is finally in. Also, the valve cover gasket for the Skyline is also in. We bought it from Rob Brokerage. The newest performance. It is. I hope it's right. Valve cover. We haven't actually tried it. Came with everything in it. Also, I forgot what these are for. I read it on the website. They said it was a good idea to get these. So maybe we'll take a look at that today. It is a little cold though.
Can I point out that you just said we have absolutely nothing to do a light maintenance day, and then you show this, and then you show that.
Well, the good thing is that's just being dropped off.
Yeah, we gotta drop that off today.
This it would probably just be open it up and see what happens. See what's wrong with the motor.
Yeah.
Right? I don't want to maybe not do it today. It's kind of cold.
It's kind of cold out today. The intercooler piping and everything's over it, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe what we'll do is kind of clean up the engine bay a little bit, get it prepped and ready for that portion. Maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe. But I think we should open this up.
You want to open it?
We can open. Want to open it?
Do we have a knife, or do we have to use the key?
Well, you're gonna use my key, not your key.
Hang on, my key for.
Hold on. Use that one. That's for my back door.
Oh, the key to Kevin's back door, guys.
So what did we buy? So the Scion is gonna get a front lip, a side lip, and rear spats. It is made by NIA Auto Design, NIA Auto Design.
Just kidding. We're gonna national food holes in this one, yeah. Their packaging is great.
Well, I hope so.
Can you make me go really slow like Baywatch?
No.
No.
No, we can't. Oh, you gotta pull out the big guns for.
Exhausted. I really should get back to the gym because that was exhausting, that run.
Ooh, look, bubble wrap. All right, guys, so we're gonna pop all this stuff out of here. I'm not gonna put Alex through this anymore, so I'm gonna help him out. And once we unwrap it all, we will show you guys. Alright guys, so there's no videos on how to do this, so I figured we'll kind of give everybody an update. So with the 2014 Scion TC, or so that generation, probably 13, or I forgot what generation it is, it probably all uses the same thing anyway. To do front end sway bar links, take off both the wheels, and then on both sides, to get the sway bar down lower, disconnect it from the top of the camber arm. If you disconnect from the top of the camber arm, you disconnect the top sway bar link from the coilover, camber arm. If you disconnect it from the coilover, allows you to move the sway bar link around and down. If you move the sway bar link down, you're able to get it on from the other side to grab the sway bar link. Alex.
Hi.
How we doing?
I need an Allen key.
You need an Allen key?
Yeah.
You can't get it with the impact?
No.
You're able to break it with the impact. You just need a better angle?
Yeah, no, it won't come out. It keeps spinning. This side's not shot like the top is.
Okay, do we know what Allen key?
No.
Do you want me to try it real quick before we go get an Allen key and have to figure out which one it is?
No, because I need an Allen key regardless. I go get it.
For what?
I gotta stick it in the hole, you know?
Not if you grab it, not if you do it correctly.
Alright, fine. I'll try it, motherfucker.
It's because your bang is too close to you.
She bang. She bang.
Alright, you have the swivel on here?
It's on the,
Alright, and where is the socket?
I don't know if
This guy. Losing my shit. Oh, it's over there.
It flew away.
I'm already on the floor.
It's right there, Kevin.
Yeah, get it. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
You brought the heat gun, right?
No.
No.
No?
No.
Does he have heat at all? Can I get a hair? Can I get a hair?
So, Kevin has realized what I tried to tell him. That you need an Allen key. But Kevin's hard-headed. So, we're just sitting here trying. How's it going?
Go get the f***ing Allen key.
Oh, now you want the Allen key.
Alright, let's go get an Allen key.
Alright. Do you need help up?
No, I'm just gonna sit here for a minute. Alright.
Take them.
Alright, so the issue is right now, when you were trying to loosen the nut all the way, we were able to break it with the impact. The issue is now it's just spinning inside. So we're gonna need the Allen key on the new actually, let me grab you guys and show you guys what we're talking about. So boy, so I just got just a regular regular new sway bar link. Nothing too crazy, just a Duralast from AutoZone. And let me open this up for you guys. So as you guys can see, this new sway bar does not have an Allen key. This does not spin inside of the top, as far as we're aware. So hopefully this will go pretty smoothly. It does come with new bolts or new nuts for it to go on to. So yeah, we're gonna, once Alex finishes getting the wheel or the Allen key off or whatever.
Oh, plug that one up, man.
I think you like it.
I didn't say I didn't like it. I'm just letting you know what's going on.
Alright, so Alex is gonna take a look at that. Alex, yell if you need help.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright guys, welcome back. We got the sway bar link on Kevin's car. It was a really big pain and we got frustrated, so that's why we kind of dropped you guys. But we're here now. We're headed off to lunch.
It's no longer making clunking noises.
There's no more clunking noises, which is good. I don't know who that guy was, but
I know who that guy is, I think. Is there a red TC coming up behind us?
yes. Oh, cool.
There's a TC! Another one. We have fam people.
Yeah.
There's a lot. This is the most TCs I've seen in a group.
To let you guys know, there are literally only 3 TCs.
It's exactly. There's more TCs than I've seen together at one point.
Probably for good reasons.
Shut up. Alright, so we're gonna go grab food. We're both hungry. We said that the sway bar end link was gonna take us 2 minutes. 2 hours later. Or an hour, yep, 3 hours later, Jesus.
No, it was like 2.
It was like 2, yeah, you're right, because we were working.
I mean, let's not make ourselves look that bad.
Yeah, so,
oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're both hungry now. We need a drink, and then soon, after we're done eating, we're gonna go back, show off the
lip kit,
and then we're gonna go drive it and bring it and drop it off at the painter.
Yes, but we have to stop and get the painter some beer because he enjoys it.
So, yeah.
We will catch back up with you guys once we are done and have the lip kit in the car.
Oh, you guys missed it.
Imagine, it looks so weird.
It does. Alright guys, so we're actually back from lunch. This is the lip kit. I think it's gonna look good, Alex. What do you think?
I like it.
You think it's gonna look good?
Yeah.
Think it's gonna look good? Just imagine this up like an inch or 2. So this is from NIA Auto Design, and it is a full lip kit. They do include all the holes and mounting hardware, which we opened up before. So you guys will have everything that you need for mounting. So yeah, I can't wait to put this on. It's gonna give it a complete different look. What do you think?
I think it's gonna look really good.
It looks really good?
I think so.
I think it's gonna look really good. But I think now it's time to drop it off to our painter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Especially since he's waiting for us.
Yeah, we were supposed to be there 10 minutes ago.
When you guys ever have an issue where something says it's gonna take you like 2 minutes to do, and it takes you like, I don't know, 2 hours to do? So that's kind of where we were. We're supposed to meet our painter at 2 o'clock, and now it's 3 o'clock, and we're supposed to meet him at 3 o'clock now.
And we got a 30-minute drive.
We do have a 30-minute drive.
We're taking the slow car.
We're taking both. Why are you coming back here?
Yes.
For what?
To get my car.
Or you just take your car.
I could. Shit.
Alright guys, also our vlog is about to take a huge upgrade, especially with our cleaning. I ordered a bunch of Adam stuff. We definitely needed some more of these. And then I ordered wheel cleaner. I love how they put the candy in there. It's not candy, it's a, what is it called? Bubblegum?
Mint?
Bubblegum or mint, one of the two. So we got a little bit of car soap. Tire and rubber cleaner was running really low on that.
Another wash pad.
Another wash pad, and something I was told to try out was the all-purpose cleaner. So I grabbed a little bit of this. Usually they include tops for these. I guess I'll have to seal it off another bottle.
Yeah, sort of. Apparently you got megafoam too.
And megafoam. I do have a power washer. So in the summer, when it's a little bit nicer out, I can pull the power washer out. Because the power washer is gas. I do want to change it over to electric at some point, which requires me to buy a new one.
Adam's polishes.
Adam's polishes. Hey, I really would like your power washer. But yeah, so Alex, I think we have to go get our paint. We have to go drop this off at the painter.
Yeah, we do.
Let's go drop this off at the painter. But look at that. That's just think about that a little bit higher. A little bit higher. All right, so let's go mount this up and not mount it up, load it up, and then we will go for a nice little drive. Catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so it is the next day. We dropped off the lip kit yesterday when we got to Dave's house. Dave is our painter. Dropped off the lip kit and we were talking to him about the Skyline and what we want to do with the Skyline. He's also going to be painting the body kit for the Skyline, so that's also good. But yeah, Dave said we should hopefully have the lip kit back this weekend. If that'd be really cool and awesome. Unfortunately guys, I'm clearly still on the stock wheels, so issue with that. Saturday we had an issue and, well, we weren't able to get the wheels mounted. Alex says we're gonna be able to have them mounted tomorrow, so the day you guys are watching this. So in the next video you guys should be able to see everything put together, and hopefully this project for the summer will be complete. But yeah, sorry to lose out on you guys yesterday. By the time we left Dave's house, it was like after 8 o'clock. I was really tired. Alex was really tired. We're both really hungry. And here we are the next day. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, we do have a lot of stuff going on. See you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit the bell so you guys get notified every time we post a video. As time goes on and it starts getting warmer outside, be prepared. We are going to be posting a lot more, and you guys are definitely not going to want to miss out what we have in store for you guys this year. So yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Yeah, see you guys later.